What is a brand? Unraveling the essence of identity. In today's competitive business landscape, a brand is more than just a logo or a catchy tagline. It's the living, breathing identity of your business. A brand represents the core values, personality, and promise that you deliver to your audience. It's the emotional connection you forge with your customers. At AGC, we understand the profound importance of branding. It's not merely a visual representation. It's the soul of your business. Your brand tells a story, conveys a message, and sets expectations. It's what distinguishes you from the crowd. Branding is about creating a unique and memorable identity. It involves crafting a visual identity that includes logos, color schemes, typography, and design elements. But it goes beyond aesthetics. Your brand's voice, messaging, and values should resonate with your target audience. Consistency is key in branding. AGC knows that maintaining a uniform brand experience across all touch points, from your website to social media and physical spaces, builds trust and recognition. When customers see your brand, they should instantly recognize it, knowing what to expect. Your brand should evoke emotions and connect on a personal level. It's not just about selling products or services. It's about building relationships. The psychology behind a brand. To truly understand the power of branding, we must delve into the psychology behind it. A well-crafted brand can evoke a myriad of emotions and associations in the minds of consumers. Trust. Trust is the cornerstone of any successful brand. A consistent and reliable brand builds trust with its audience. When customers trust your brand, they're more likely to choose your products or services over competitors. Emotion. Brands have the power to stir emotions. Effective branding creates emotional connections that drive customer loyalty. Identity. Brands give people a sense of identity. When customers align with your brand's values and mission, they feel a sense of belonging. This connection can lead to strong brand advocacy and word-of-mouth marketing. Perception. The way your brand is perceived can make or break your business. AGC specializes in helping you shape the perception of your brand. A brand is your business's essence. It's what makes you stand out in a crowded marketplace. It's the promise you make to your customers. Partner with AGC to elevate your brand's identity and create a lasting impression. Visit us at www.americangraphiccontractors.com for more information.